It's a grand tour of Europe, all in a single day and all in Washington, D.C. Welcome to the European Union Open House. Every year for just one day in May, the embassies of all 27 member nations of the European Union open their doors to curious visitors. Here they are welcomed with cultural treats such as music, costumes, food, art, dancing, and anything else relating to their country's ways of life. Join me as we crisscross the old world while imagining medieval castles, cathedrals, and cobblestone streets surrounding us as we move from embassy to embassy. We might even chance upon the French ambassador's residence along the way. Grab your suitcase, carry-on, and personal item, and let's go! These are samples of that sign that we just saw.
Oh, this is sourdough bread?
Here's over there. Here's the cafe. No. Please.
Here's a very long version of the Lithuanian flag, and they're made of little beads. I'm really glad that we finally got to go inside somewhere. Right outside the Lithuanian Embassy is the Cuban Embassy. There were some bars I had to squeak through. And now we're outside the Polish Embassy, and the line is about the same as Lithuania, so we will be going in here as well. And they've got some cool artwork on the outside. Let's take a quick look at this. So there was a welcome gift right after security. They went through both of my bags. And this is, it says creamy fudge on it in English. There it is.
Hello.
Milky creamy fudge, but it is from Poland, just written in English. And we are going to walk on in.
Hello. Welcome to the Embassy of Poland. Enjoy. There's a gift section upstairs. Perfect.
Not bad. Hello.
Online. Come
Oh, you can dress up over here and it spits out Polaroids. That's awesome. And here we go. A hand painting station for kids. Looks like some kind of pastry over here. Let's see what's going on. These are like little donut balls.
They're all the same.
I'm just weird like that. I'm always like that.
I know.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
so hard to choose.
It is, it is. Yo-yos.
Was also very special. Her name was beautiful. She was related to Isaac Newton. And she was herself a scientist. So she published one of the first pieces about climate change, 1856. Imagine a woman, an American scientist, an American female scientist, published a piece about climate change. 1850s. She investigated studies,